Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use UPI Circle in GPay. This innovative feature allows a primary user to empower trusted family or friends, known as secondary users, to make UPI payments. Essentially, secondary users can initiate transactions using the primary user's linked bank account. It's designed to assist individuals who may not have their own bank account or are hesitant to engage directly with UPI, simplifying digital transactions for more people. To set up your UPI Circle, the primary user first opens their GPay app and taps on their profile picture, then selects the UPI Circle option. Next, you will scan the secondary user's unique UPI QR code to link their profile. During this setup, you'll choose the delegation type, either partial, requiring your approval for each payment, or full, allowing payments up to a set monthly limit. Once the UPI Circle is active, secondary users can initiate payments just like any other GPay transaction. If partial delegation is chosen, the primary user will receive a notification for each payment request and must approve it within 10 minutes. With full delegation, secondary users can make payments independently, up to a maximum of 5,000 rupees per transaction, within a monthly limit of 15,000 rupees. Managing your UPI Circle is straightforward, as all transactions initiated by secondary users are clearly recorded in the primary user's GPay transaction history. This ensures complete transparency and control over all delegated payments. Remember to ensure that the secondary user's mobile number is saved in your contacts and they have a valid UPI ID for seamless operation. This feature simplifies digital payments for your trusted circle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.